Hello foodies, my name is Chef Christopher Fread and welcome to the Opa Vlog, redefining Greek cuisine, live from my studio, talking all about the chicken. But before we begin, I want to send a special thank you to all of you supporting, watching the vlog week after week. Just a quick thank you to you guys. First off, our chickens come from Lake Meadows Naturals Egg Farm, which opened in Central Florida in the 2000s. They provide high quality, fresh farm eggs, chicken, grass-fed beef, and much more. So I have some facts about chickens for you. There are more chickens on planet Earth than there are people, and chickens also have better vision than actual humans. At the age of about 18 weeks, hens are going to lay their first egg, and hens can lay about 250 eggs in their first year. Also, chickens do not have teeth. Fun fact if you didn't know. So after the first week's episode, a lot of you have been asking for the Avgolemono soup, and now you're finally going to have it this week on Opa Vlog. We are going to make a classic Avgolemono soup with a redefined twist. Now for our soup, we're going to be using eggs from Lake Meadow Naturals, and we're going to be using whole chickens from Lake Meadow Naturals as well. The recipe for this is going to be on ChristopherFread.com right underneath the video. First thing you're going to do is take those chickens and you're going to season them with oil, salt, and pepper. Cook them at 350 degrees for about an hour. Cool them down. You're going to shred it. We're going to bring our stock to a boil, add the orzo. The rest of it is in the recipe. We're going to show you how to plate the chicken Avgolemono soup with a little bit of herb oil on top, a fresh cracker, and some dehydrated lemon chips. Enjoy. Hi everybody, I just want to say another thank you for watching, commenting, and sharing all my videos. Be sure that you visit ChristopherFread.com. Also, please check out all my social media, all below. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, share it if you like today's video. Don't forget as well, every single Tuesday, a brand new video to Opa Vlog. Now today I'm going to leave you with a question where I'm going to give you the answer on the next episode. Why does a chicken coop have two doors?